Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, API key, endpoint, and header needs. Open Power BI Desktop and go straight to Get Data, choose Web. In the URL box, paste the endpoint, then switch to Advanced to add headers. Make sure to select the right authentication method. OAuth 2 requires a client ID and secret, while API key is simpler. Once done, press OK to fetch a sample response, so you can inspect JSON structure and plan transforms. Now you parse and shape the data in Power Query. Expand JSON records, promote headers, and convert types so columns are analyzable. Next, create parameters for endpoint, API key, and page size. This makes maintenance easier. If the API paginates, implement a loop using list. Generate or a pagination function to concatenate pages. Also add filters, for example date ranges, to reduce payloads and speed refreshes. Make sure to apply steps incrementally and validate row counts as you go. Finally, load the clean table into the data model and set relationships and data types to optimize performance. Publish to Power BI service, install or configure the gateway if your API is on-prem, and add credentials in dataset settings so scheduled refreshes run. If a refresh fails, check the response headers for rate limits or 429 errors, verify token expiration and refresh flows, and confirm the endpoint hasn't changed. Often updating the parameter or re-authenticating resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.